Y'all listen at the birds whistling at me. Y'all hear them? I know I look good even to the birds, don't it? Yeah. Y'all better stop flirting with me. Y'all better stop. Honey, y'all. I said stop flirting, y'all. You whistling. Mm-hmm. Hey. Here's woman. That's the woman. His woman hollering at him like, why you whistling at? Why you whistling at her? Like, for real, for real? That's how we supposed to be doing? That's what we doing? The dog. Ooh. Hear that dog. Hear that dog. Them birds.
Morning.
Birds.
So is Toya your mom? Grandma. She's a very nice lady.
I tell you what, I told that lady my name about 2 years ago, and she has not forgotten my name ever since. I told her my name 2 years. I introduced myself. I told her my name 2 years ago, and ever since then, she's never forgotten my name. Now that's what's up, okay? Because my memory span is very, very short. Honey, you tell me your name same day. You ask me what your name is. If you told me, you been told me this morning, this morning or something like that, and then later on this evening, you like, remember my name? No, I forgot. Same day. I'm just saying I can't remember your name. If you told me the same day, I still be like, what's your name again? Forgot. I don't remember good. My memory span is very, 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 very short. It is. Like, I just cannot remember your people's names. But faces, I can remember that. Like it ain't nothing. Names is what I have a problem with. I struggle with that. And I know I'm not the only one. I'm telling you, like, I just told you my name this morning. And here's a few hours later, I'm asking you remember my name and you don't remember my name? Like, no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But this lady, I told her my name 2.5, maybe even 3 years ago. And she has never, ever forgotten my name. Now that's what's up. Yo, this is my new night shirt I got from the thrift store yesterday. I got it with some shorts. I got the juicers out. Yes. I'm hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I had a taste of French toast, but I don't feel like doing all that. These birds is off the chain over here. Okay, y'all, it's a short video, but you know I'm gonna be back. Ta-ta.